Hello, I'm Danny, a service coordinator at the Regional Center here in Sunnytown, California. Today, I'd like to discuss requirement number 6 of the HCBS Final Rule, Tenant Protections. The requirement states that the residents you support must have the same protections as any other renter. In the Regional Center system, we use an admission agreement. Let's see how a dirty dish, the U.S. legal system, and a turtle named Wax help Nova explain to Stephen his rights and protections living at Sunny Oaks.
Dexter, are these your dishes?
Negative. However, I will investigate and bring whoever is at fault to intergalactic justice.
No one is in trouble. I just want to remind folks to clean up after themselves.
I will get everyone. All hands on deck.
Good job, Wax. Now sit. Oh no! Quick! Hide under here. Oh, hi, Dexter. What's up with you?
Nova asked me to retrieve you for a house meeting.
Oh no. Nova found out. She's going to kick me out of the house.
Dexter, what did you say?
Nothing. Stephen is being kicked out of the house.
What? Why?
Because I've been secretly keeping a pet turtle in my room. This is Wax, my beloved turtle.
OMG, the cuteness. Must love.
He is a very tiny terrapin. He must be protected.
Then it's decided. We're going to fight this, and if Wax goes, we all go.
Fight it? How?
You need a lawyer.
I'll do it. I'll be your lawyer.
You? My lawyer?
In Season 5, Lanterman became the lawyer to the stars.
Huh, like space celebrities.
No, the actual stars. The planets were suing them.
Okay. I can be a character witness.
And I'll make the protest signs. Save Wax on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Save Wax!
Hey guys, will you make sure everyone is cleaning up after themselves?
Yeah, sure thing, boss.
That's surprising. They're usually on top of these things.
Yeah, they are. You know, I was just saying how this house is totally drama-free.
Heck no, Wax won't go! Heck no, Wax won't go!
What is going on?
Allow me to introduce myself. Dexter, Galactic Attorney. My client has retained my services to prevent his expulsion from this quadrant.
Client? Expulsion? What?
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, I say, and I quote, "What is a star, if not to provide the gravity to hold us all together? And is Wax not that star?"
You know, he does have a point.
As an expert witness, I can confirm Stephen has always been a thoughtful and attentive caregiver to Wax.
What are you talking about?
Wax on, not off.
Who is Wax?
This is Wax, my beloved turtle.
That you've had in your room for a month.
You knew?
Yes, remember when you asked me to follow you on Instant Chat?
Oh yeah, so you're Supernova 1983. Please don't kick me out of the house.
No one is being kicked out. I just wanted to talk to you guys about cleaning up your dishes. Steven, you can have a pet.
I can?
Yes, it's all in your admission agreement.
What's that?
The contract you signed when you moved in? You read it, right?
Maybe.
Okay, everyone in the dining room, we should go over it together. You all need to know your rights. As you can see, although not all places allow pets, we do here at Sunny Oaks, as long as they have a proper habitat. Are we good?
My clients deem this acceptable.
Good. Please advise your clients to wash their dishes, or this court shall have to hold them in contempt.
Stephen got to keep wax, a right granted in his admission agreement, and learn that his protection is the same as all renters in California. It's your job to make sure the people you support understand what's in their admission agreement and what their rights are. Remember, big, impactful change can start with small conversations. As a service provider, being person-centered means listening to the people you support and acting upon what you hear.